Welcome back, smart mathematicians. We're doing question 113. That given the linear pattern 7, 2, negative 3 goes on like that, which term in the pattern is the value of negative 138? Right, we're going to use our answer that we got in question 111. Right, remember we found the nth term, but let me just remind you what we did there. We found our nth term. We said Tn is equal to An plus B, where A is the constant difference, and the constant difference here is negative 5. You see that? You say 2 minus 7, which is negative 5, negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 5. And then we use term number 1 to get our B. Term number 1 is 7 is equal to negative 5, which is our A. And then term number 1. So where there's n, we put 1. See that? Then plus B. And then negative 5 transposed to the left-hand side becomes positive 5. 7 plus 5 is 12 is equal to B. Therefore, Tn is equal to negative 5n plus 12. Now, it says which term in the pattern is a value of negative 138? What are we looking for here? Term number what? In the pattern, term number what? So we're looking for n. We're given the term. This is the term in the pattern. So this is Tn. So it's negative 138 is equal to negative 5n plus 12. So you have to check, what are you looking for? Are you looking for the term or are you looking for the term number? Right, let's transpose 12 whichever way. How you're going to solve this linear equation. We know how to solve linear equations. So it becomes negative 138 minus 12, which is negative 150 is equal to negative 5n. Then divide by negative 5 on both sides, get that n is equal to 30. So it means therefore negative 138 is the 30th term in the sequence. Or you can say negative 138 is T30. You see that? Okay, so that's what it's supposed to do there.